right. Let's do it. Welcome, everyone. Thank you guys for all the thumbs up for good luck. Much appreciated.
Hey, John Farner.
We're gonna play this one for next time.
Yeah. Should be ready. I just put plenty into it. It was brutal. We played all 10 of them and got nothing. All right, come on. This one, let's go. China Shores to the rescue. What is wrong with these games tonight? The cold Konamis. RMT, $49 Mexican Super Chat. Good luck, Raja. Good luck, Mr. Handpay. Ramsey, $1 foot-long wiener. Kevin DiVincenzi, $5 Super Chat. Let's see those boom, boom, booms. Oh, they're coming. This has been a rough start. We have had such good luck yesterday and earlier. David, $5 Super Chat. Father and son play, more like the movie Twins. Good luck tonight. Maybe we should get twice the fun. Maybe one of us will get lucky and get a bonus.
That's what I'm trying to do. Get a bonus so we can share it with everyone.
Yeah. Allison, $5 Super Chat. Good luck tonight, guys. Hashtag Raja. Hashtag Mr. Handpay, hashtag Jackie, hashtag Simon, hashtag put more money in the machine. Stuff the old turkey up.
Sending you a ton of good luck right now.
Oh, well, thank you, Simon. Lots of good luck wishes from It's a Slot Machine. Trace CD, $10 Super Chat. Good luck. Brian of Denver in the house tonight. Finally something, $180. Our biggest hit so far has been $300. Oh, yeah, one more. Oh, look at those things. Lanterns. Come on. Carlos calling for bonus time. Here comes the jackpot. Get him. Here comes anything. I just like to see even a bonus. Even if they gave me the bonus that didn't pay, I'd be happy. There we go. Ace.
Money back.
Super busy here tonight. Everybody's out here.
Did you tell them why it's super busy for the senior citizens?
Yeah. If you're over 50, you get 4x points. Always got to take advantage of those casino promos. All right.
Is that wild? Yeah, a little something. 300 there. All right, guys, I'm in for $1,000. Have not gotten a bonus game yet. A little bit of playback. Slotty math teacher in the house. Psychic Mike, thank you for the $2 super chat. Why do they call him Mr. Handplay? What's wrong with you? Tracy D, saying hi to Super Chat. Super Squirrel, what's up? Filthy. Thank you for the shirtless pictures today. Can't get through my day without those. One more. Yeah, all right.
Heck yes.
70 free games. Just kidding. 10, here we go. 156 to start. Simon, you push it.
Alrighty, here we go. Pushing the button right now. 3, 2, 1,
We
boom.
good?
Hey, Super Skull. Hey, Super Truck Dan.
Oh, you got something.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
What are those diamonds doing? I don't know. They're going to do something. Yeah. See? What was that?
Wow, we know what we need. It's on the top.
You should have went big. I put $5,000 in this.
All right, there's some wild. One more of those. We'd be very happy, and we missed it, but there we go. We got 5 of a kind. Doesn't even show me what it pays. 462 there. 10 somewhere. No. 4 games left.
I haven't seen anything mirror yet.
More of the wilds.
Oh, I see. Those two mirror each other. Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
So basically the third's the wild.
Eric, thank you for that. $5 super chat. How are you liking it so far, Mr. Handy? I really like this place. Honestly, it's really nice. I would suggest anyone stop out here and take a weekend here at Monarch Casino. It's beautiful. You drive up the mountains for, I don't know, a half an hour. That was fast. I didn't even touch it. And after you're driving for whatever, a half an hour, you just see the Monarch Casino. Just comes out of nowhere. It's amazing.
Hey, ask me for my card.
Linda K, at one time I had 400 plus free games on China's shores.
Nice. Freaking hopping fish owes us.
Easy money tonight at Monarch Casino, especially after Dad puts in $5,000. You had missed a one on top.
Juicy Jungle, $5 super chat. Hope you're having a blast, Raja. Surely missing everyone. Big booms. Lynn, $5 super chat. Good luck from California. Let's see that Handpay. Let's see. I missed one. Super chat and $2 super chat. Thumbs up. Lady Luck HQ, $20 super chat. I think it's only fitting that you two hit a grand jackpot tonight.
Over 20 grand. That's what we need, though.
Over 20. I hit a grand jackpot last night. If you guys didn't see it on my Snapchat, you better check it out. It was only for $1,000 bucks, but it said grand.
That's a grand, yeah. That's a grand.
It was an actual grand. No. You guys, on this one, apparently you have to hit the mega to make it count bigger. Oh, we actually did hit the grand. Yes, finally. 420T. It's a sign. It's a sign. Thank you, Lady Luck HQ. Sanders, tell Mr. Handpay to keep playing Konami so he can't win the grand. Ha ha, Raja,
yeah.
Mr. Handpay. And thank you, everyone on YouTube for helping us get to 350,000 subscribers today. We finally hit it today. It's official. Fish bowls. Yeah. Oh, you just have to pour it in a cup. No, like down on the floor, they want you to put it in a cup. There's no one in the can on the floor. Crazy Carl, I ordered everybody hot green tea. Good luck tonight. I hope everybody enjoys green tea. I mean green money. Get it, big jackpot tonight. Good luck. Oh, thank you, Crazy Carl.
Crazy Carl actually talks?
Of course.
All I've ever seen is
Of course he talks. Talks, he walks. If she gets off, play that shit. Or hope.
Yeah, sorry about that.
All right, no luck on this one. But the good news is, all right, so Volcanic Rock, Twin Fever, $45 bets. Maybe this one will do something. 5K grenade, $50 super chat by Mr. Handy, a lollipop. Greg, $2 super chat. Let us pray in the name of the Father, Son, and holy water. Ah, look at those. Man. Oh my God. Miracle. Front column. I don't even think it equaled anything. Oh, wait. Bigger miracle. Dana. Good luck. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. We got lucky. Boom. $1,350. Finally something. And of course, these machines, we actually have the fast pay working tonight, but they don't work on the Konami. So, thank God the Volcano come out. And the streak continues. I was more worried about if the streak was ever going to continue here. The jackpot streak's alive. 6 years straight of live play. Those are good, huh? Did you go to that lounge on the 20th? Yeah. All right, on here. I'll see you. Oh, we didn't get. Oh, she's on it. No, okay. I'm waiting for them to get off that machine. All right, come on. Look at this thing. That was fast. Ah, that's really good. This should be a jackpot.
$1,800 on the
Full mystery.
Bull Mystery.